We got the homies pulling in. Y'all know the vibe, bruv. Yes, sir.
It's shaking, bro.
Bro. Big old 450. You know the vibes. You got a 2-stroke in there too, right?
Oh yeah, CR 125R.
Ooh. That's what I would want to try, the CR.
That is a straight Willie machine.
Let's go. On the 2-stroke.
Missing tail. You gotta get the missing tail on it.
The missing tail?
12 o'clock.
Oh, 2 o'clock. Yeah.
He has too much weight. You know, you let it.
You saying I can't win, bro? Is that what you trying to say? I feel like that's what you're trying to say, bro.
It will be like it's a little different.
Yo, this thing is sketchy as hell. Oh my gosh. This thing got no freaking back fender. It's definitely sketchy, bro.
Right?
Yeah.
I don't want to say that. I don't know why.
It's just because it's like boggy in the beginning, so you have to stay in the high RPM. And your brake is like...
That's the Jets, right?
No, just the brake is like, I don't know. There's nothing like the 2-stroke. Oh, he got that thing! Let's go! Woo! You got that, bro! Yeah! They're saying how that 2-stroke has like no torque. Woo-hoo! I think he dropped his rag or something. I got you.
Yo, I'm not legit. It's not outside. If I can't scrape now, there's a problem.
Oh my god. Start it, see what it sounds like.
You started, nigga.
No way! Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, you feel me? Sometimes you gotta whip out the plastic bag, get a nice oil change in at the lot. I ain't gonna lie, bro, this 2-stroke look clean though. But they say it has no power or no torque.
None.
I'm surprised to see what it feels like.
Slowest here. People be saying this bike is a little different. I don't know.
Get it! Let's go! So my man's right now is doing an oil change into a plastic bag.
It's the slowest year for CR125, it's the 04.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's the slowest year.
Tell the people how I feel that I'm better than you now on this bike.
Uh-oh. Homie talking that smack.
Hey, yo, look, the funny shit is, they might think that until they realize that you scared of this shit, but you want that shit.
I had to focus right there, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this 450 scares me. Like, it's a lot of weight and power, even though I'm used to like the DRZ. Some no-handers. Well, like I was saying, this 450 scares me, bro. Bro, this whole bike is leaking now. I don't know if you can see it, but it's dripping. That's not good. Damn. That shit was leaking like crazy, bro. I'm glad it came back in one piece.
It only does it when I stop. When I'm in motion,
it was fine? Ah. Bro, that was sketchy. I thought you were gonna get stranded. I was like, no, we can't. Oh my god, bro. Alright. Oh my god. Bro, this thing just stays at 12 o'clock. Bro, this is like a cheat code bike, bro. Sort of hard to pop it up though. Oh my god, dude. Yo! You trying to sell it? You trying to sell it? Dude, it feels like for a two-stroke, it's so smooth.
It's easy going. That bitch a coaster.
Yeah, like once you're in 12, like it's just chilling, bro. You're just bro. It just
so smooth.
It doesn't make sense for like a two-stroke to be this smooth. I'm like,
yeah, I used to be scared of it until I really got on. I was like, you know what? This bike is shit.
It's easier than like four-stroke, bro.
Hell yeah, it's smooth. It's so smooth.
Yeah.
Very, very smooth.
Hey, everything worked, like the braking. Yeah, there. Yeah, that two-stroke. There's something special about that two-stroke. Let's get it. Yes, there. These quads are scary.
That's not a good bike to learn, right?
Just, they're hard. I'm not used to the thumb, like I'm used to like this. So it's a little weird getting that thumb control. Hey, is your name Cuddy Roscoe?
That's my cousin.
Ah, okay. Cuddy Roscoe in there, babe. 3 motherfuckers.
Yo, y'all not gonna believe this. I got a guy with no legs that rides a 400.
He rides what? Ooh, we're back on my YZ and it feels good, bro. It feels real good. Swerving. Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. A little lot sesh with a little street ride with the boy Gucci. What was your name again?
Jeremiah.
Jeremiah. Gunna. Oh wait, would I say Gucci? Yeah. Hey, we're merch in the description. I love you gang. Till next time. Peace.